Hi guys, playing my first Mario Maker level. Not my first level on me, but just the first time I'm recording this actually. And I'll upload it, play it. It's called Wario World. It's basically a level with Wario. Play as Wario. So guys, don't judge at the bad view. I can't record like this. I'm also going to show you guys a little bit of my level, where I'm working at. So this is just gonna hide it. If it can scare me away. I'm trying my best to record this. Ooh, look. Whoops, wrong. Whoa, whatever. I'm trying my best to record this, guys. Actually, it's going pretty good right now. Ooh, guys. Press the E button. Oh, wait, a camera for Bowser. Whoa, what was that? Hope my mom is not coming while I'm recording. That would be horrible. Well, sorry if you guys can see bad. I mean, I'm not as good at recording games. Well, look down there. Munchers. Wario is so scared of Red Wario. Go! Killed them all. Guess all the world was epic. I killed them all with a power block. Guess I need to go back then. It says start. So I've got a checkpoint, guys. So don't worry. Oh crap. I just started on it. I'm gonna do 2 levels. Damn. Who cares? Oh yeah. I'm gonna try different levels instead. I'm gonna do an easy one just to start off with. One of my first ever levels, Fire Star. That's the third level I made. Oh, at the third. Look, here goes Mario. He's trying to dodge out with Piranha Plant. He's peeking out. You can down there's trampolines and there's spinies everywhere. I am horrible at recording video games. I'm just horrible at it. Guys, I can now go. Heck yeah, I can. I'm going this one. Ooh, look, guys. $5. That's it. Oh yeah. How do you guys feel? I paid all my money for the Wii U, and this is what I get. A Mario which shoots down fire piranha plants. But those are too many to take down. These are better. Come on, Mario, you also have brilliance. And that's what I call brilliant idea. That's how I like to see it, man. Oh yeah, victory. Let's do one more level. Shall we? Yeah, let's do one. One more level. Should we do easy one or a hard one? We're gonna do a fun, nice level of bumper cars. Bumper cars. Probably one of my favorite ones. Just jump in. Not do that. That's stupid. Not jump off the edge. You jump in the clown car. It's called. This not called for no reason bumper. Just follow Mario. Mario knows what he's doing, people. You have not much time. Only have 50 seconds left. Mario. Go, Mario. Go, go, go. There we go. That's how I look to see it. Go here. One more level. And this one is gonna be, so we do an amiibo. Yeah, I already did one. I'm gonna do Yoshi World. Just like there's a boss rush. Ooh, epic. Yoshi World plays green and pink. Let's see. There he goes. Whoa, yeah, I totally forgot. There's spikes there. Totally forgot, guys. Look at that. This is spikes. What's that? I heard music. It's an amiibo. He's jumping. How do I get him? Come on, Mario. You can do this, man. I believe in you. Go get that amiibo. Come on, Mario. You can do this. Look, it's a Yoshi. Look how cute he is. And now all I have to do is escape. Oh, this is gonna be tough, guys. Alright, which door? I'm betting it's this one. Woo! Oh shoot, look, it was a bomb. Come on, quick, run before it comes back. Yoshi made it up top. If I have bad luck, my mom's gonna come back from shopping in the city with her little sister. Come on, get out of there, Koopas. We're just like ambushed. La 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 la. You can't catch me. I'm invincible. Come on, go to the pipe. Gotta go to the pipe. Oh, look, flag. Boss. Rush. Boss rush. 5 boss battles, guys. This boss battle was the Colony of Spinies. This level are the homing bullets. This level is not really a boss battle, but it's fun. The Karibashu run. Go to the bed, Mario. This one is the Tank of Doom. I beat the Tank of Doom. Final battle is Bowser and Bowser Jr. Made it to the finish. Prepare for the happy music. Anyways, that's it. Peace out. Bye.